Hello and welcome back to Lutheran Witness Podcast. Here on the Lutheran Witness Podcast, we share for you the articles on the Lutheran Witness website. However, in March, we're doing something special, and instead we are sharing the articles from the Lutheran Witness magazine, the print magazine, this month, checking out to see how we can go about getting you all this content in ways that you can receive and listen to wherever you're at. So if you found this helpful, the best way to support us is to visit cph.org/witness and subscribe, get a paper copy of the magazine. It's only $19.99 for 11 issues a year. You can't beat that. That's less than $2 an issue. You can't beat that price anywhere. So visit cph.org/witness and subscribe to the Lutheran Witness. Also, a huge thank you to kfuo.org. KFUO are our podcast partners. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do this. So kfuo.org, Christ for you, anytime, anywhere. Check them out, kfuo.org. Our article for today is the For the Love of Words column by the editors. For the love of words, for the love of spoken words. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. The children's ditty goes. Indeed, sticks and stones may break bones, but words can do far worse. Words send soldiers into battle to kill and be killed. Words divide a country. Words softly spoken can tempt a man to violate a lifelong vow. Words from the eternal judge will send those goats on his left to eternal torment. Words are far more dangerous than sticks and stones. This present age obsesses over words. We read and write more words than ever before, in the news and text messages and books and magazines. But we spend precious little time in consideration of the danger of words. We are content to write our words while hiding behind screens, so hidden we cannot see the danger of these words. We cannot see the effect of words on those we attack with our keyboards. We cannot register the pain we inflict on others when we unleash our latest Twitter diatribe awash in the emotional rush of what we think is victory. This little column praises plain, ordinary words. It is time to praise spoken words. Some conversations should happen face to face. Though we here at LW love written words, we must love spoken words even more. To be sure, half the battle is knowing when to move the conversation from virtual to reality. Any time spent in the virtual world will demonstrate this battle is lost more often than it is won. And while we should call public sinners to repentance, we do not need to do it before the world, airing our dirty laundry. In such circumstances, we could do worse than take a page from our forefathers who took the time to travel and speak their concerns face to face. The unity of Christ's church calls for nothing less. For in the end, while words are dangerous and could divide us, God works through spoken words to bring us into an eternal unity. Are we not united in the Word made flesh, given us in bread and wine? Are we not united in the water and word spoken by the pastor and by which God brings us into his family and unites us as one? In the word of absolution spoken, we not only hear but also receive the forgiveness Jesus won on the cross for us, and in that declared and audibly spoken forgiveness, we live together as his people. Indeed, while words can do far worse, the word given to you has done far better. Thank you for taking the opportunity to listen to this little exhortation from the editors on spoken words and the value of spoken words. Once again, visit cph.org/witness to subscribe to the magazine and support our work here and ensure that we're able to continue to give this to you. Also visit witness.lcms.org to learn more about how we here at the Lutheran Witness are helping you interpret the world from a Lutheran perspective.